Everyone, Jai Jagannath, this is Licky and welcome my YouTube channel Makeup Foodies. Here you will find a lot of videos related makeup, skincare and cooking recipe. This is my first video on YouTube. Let's go. Today I am show you how to remove your makeup properly step by step and get healthy and glowing skin. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope you guys try this out. If you like my videos then hit like and share and subscribe my channel Makeup Foodies. If you have any more requests and suggestions, comment down below. I will read your comments. I'm going to show you my next video. Till then, bye bye and don't forget hit the bell icon. Bye bye. Jai Jagannath.